Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Apple AirTag with your iPhone. So let's get started. I have this new AirTag which is still wrapped, so I will just remove its packaging from here. You just need to remove it like this, and then at one point you will see that this packaging is inside this Apple AirTag, which is for protecting your battery, right? So as soon as you remove this small thing from your AirTag, your battery will start, right? So let me remove this like this by just pulling this, and it will make one sound here, right? Now, one thing to notice here is your Bluetooth on your iPhone should be on, right? So in my case, you can see the Bluetooth is on in my case. If it's not, just turn your Bluetooth on. And once you turn your Bluetooth on, just close your iPhone like this and open it once again. And as soon as you open your iPhone is going to detect the AirTag and it's going to show it like this, right? So you can see it's showing it like this. So you don't need to do anything. Your iPhone is going to detect your AirTag and show you like this. At this point, you just need to press on the connect button, which you see here. So just press on it, and then you need to select what is the purpose of this AirTag. Is it a backpack, or you want to put it in the bike, camera, or you have different options here, right? So for now, I will select keys here, and then I will just press on continue. And as soon as I press on continue, I can see AirTag is linked to your Apple ID. So just make sure you see the Apple ID which you have on your iPhone. And once you press on agree button here, your AirTag will be connected with your iPhone, right? So now you can see it says home key with you, and then it says precision finding, play sound, and share your AirTag, right? So once everything is set up, you can press on the done button. And from the next time when you want to search where your AirTag location is, or you want to just find your AirTag, then you need to search for Find My App, right? So you can search for this app, which is Find My App, or you can even search for Find My App. Just type Find My here and then press on this Find My icon, and it's going to show like this. And here you need to press on the items icon here. So this is the items icon. Just press on this icon, and then you will be able to see all the connected AirTags. I have two connected AirTags. This is the one which I have just connected, right? Which is Home's key. So when I select this Home's key item, I can play a sound on it, or I can find the precise location for this, right? So I'm going to just press on play sound, and you can see on my AirTag I can hear the sound. Once again, you can press on this play sound button and it's going to turn off the sound. You can also press on this find icon, which is going to show you the precise location of your AirTag, right? So you can see it says here. So this is how you can connect your AirTag with your iPhone. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.